Good morning, guys. It's Adriel. What's up, you guys? So right now, guys, we are going to help Rachel's parents move. So that is what's going on. So talk to you guys when we get there. So we made it to Rachel's parents' place. This is gonna be the final goodbye. Probably tomorrow is gonna be the final goodbye because we are loading the truck today. Some of the stuff. So that's what's going on, you guys. That's a master. Oh yeah, such a huge Guys, it is so late. We are gonna unload tomorrow probably. We're gonna just I'm tired of moving. We still have the moving truck. So we are gonna pack tomorrow, unload the truck tomorrow, and just relax. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but we are gonna do some stuff. So that's what's going on. This video because you're a subscriber, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.